Hello folks, what is going on? Welcome to Alien Watch. Today we are gonna know more about MetaKings. So let's jump into this video. Before going any further, let me introduce MetaKings to you. MetaKings is a battle world powered by artificial intelligence, in which anybody may earn tokens via competent gameplay and contributions to the ecosystem. Players may engage in combat, acquire resources, grow their characters, and construct a land-based kingdom for them. Third-party developers may readily access all art assets and MetaKing's genetic data, allowing them to create their own tools and experiences in the MetaKing's metaverse. We should know about the marketplace of MetaKings. There will be an internal NFT marketplace where players will be able to improve their guild and the economy by letting them trade, sell or acquire NFTs. These traders will have a 15% tax cost for using the marketplace in any of their forms and will be returned to the players pool. The marketplace will use MTK as its default tokens, and users will stipulate the price their NFT however they see fit. So be on the lookout for the next bargain. MetaKings Fundamentals. MetaKings is a novel sort of game that compensates players for the time and effort they invest in both the game and the ecosystem's growth. MetaKing's economy is entirely player-owned and based on real money. Rather than selling game stuff on copies, the game's makers are concentrating their efforts on expanding the player-to-player economy. Marketplace fees are deposited in a community treasury, the use of which will be determined by MTK holders. The developers get money by holding MTK tokens. Players produce MTK tokens using game resources and sell them to new or other players. Consider MetaKings to be a country with a functioning economy. The MTK token is held by the government, which collects tax money. Holders, the game's creators and builders, own 10% of the all MTK tokens. The game's resources and products are tokenized, which means they can be traded in open peer-to-peer marketplaces to anyone, anywhere in the world. Additional income sources. Several extra chances to inject additional capital into the economy as a bonus to the basis player-to-player economic activity will represent themselves. Publicity and strategic partnerships. Numerous projects have already shown an interest in contributing prize and tokens to the marketing economy. Maker DAO, AAVE, and Kyber Network have all conducted experimental token drops for marketing participants so far. MetaKings is already the world's biggest community of individuals who understand how to utilize blockchain technology. Advertising to a group of this size has numerous value. So guys, this was all about MetaKings. Thanks guys for staying with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us for more. Take love.